Okay, so we have this equation here of an expanded circle equation, and it says in the xy plane, the graph of the given equation is a circle. Makes sense. If the circle is inscribed in a square, what is the perimeter of the square? So let's just draw that out real quick to make it more intuitive. We have a square, right, like this, and the circle is inscribed in the square, so that it touches every side of the square like this and fits in perfectly. So to find the perimeter of the square, the perimeter equals 4 times the side length, where this is s, and then we know the radius is half of s, so we need to find the radius and then use that to find the perimeter by find the side length and then doing 4 times that to find the perimeter. So let's start by finding the radius with this given equation. We can't do that unless we have it in the factored circle form, which looks more like this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Oops, I put that incorrectly. Y minus k squared equals r squared, and r squared is the radius squared, so we can use that to solve this. However, this is very different from the form we're given originally, so we got to simplify it and kind of transform it into the how we want it to look, kind of. So first, let's start by moving 47 to the right side to get it out of this whole arrangement here. So this would become, x squared. Let's see, I don't remember this. Minus 10x plus y squared. And then you want to do minus 6y equals 47. Okay, cool. Not too bad so far. Now we've got to complete this square on both sides for the x terms and the y terms. So you want to do, x minus half of this term here, so this becomes x minus 5 squared plus y minus half of negative 6, or minus half of this, so y minus 3 squared. And this now equals 47. However, we've got to add these terms to that side as well. Or, sorry, one second here. We got to add these additional terms that were not in the original equation, because now we're expanding it and we're adding 25 here. And we're adding 9, because this expands to plus 25 as the constant term. This is plus 9. So let's do on the right side as well to balance things out on our little scale. Plus 25 plus 9. Right, that should be correct. Which gets us to 52, 72, 81 in total. So we know that r squared is equal to 81, right? So then r is just 9. And we know that the side is 2 times the radius because the diameter is equal to the side length of the square. Hope that makes sense. S therefore equals 2 times 9, which is 18. The perimeter is 4 times the side length, which is 4 times 18 equals, what is that? 72. And alright, so your answer here, should just be C. I hope that makes sense. Happy travels.